Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can download and install node.js on Windows 11 operating system. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your favorite browser. Here we can write down the node.js download. Here you can see the node.js download. Click here. Now you can see there are two types here, current and LTS. LTS means long-term support, so we should install this one because it have a long-term support. Now here you can see the Windows installer. Click here 64-bit and you can see that it will install the node.js. It will take some time to download. Now you can hear that download has been completed. Double click here. Now the installation window has been started. Now click here next. Click I accept agreement. Click next. There is a destination folder where it can be installed. Click next and click next and click here automatically install the necessary tools that will install this chocolatey. This will help us to install more necessary tools, so check this box and click next and now click install. Now click here finish. Here you can see the node.js. Click here, press any key to continue. Now in the background it will install a number of tools. You can here click minimize. Now I can see that whether it has been installed or not. Here you can see the node.js command prompt. Click here. You can change the font of this. Click here OK. Here we can write down the node and click enter. Here you can see it shows welcome to node.js version 18. That means it's working correctly. Let us do something more. Write down here console.log and parenthesis start and click hello node and parenthesis close and semicolon and click enter. Now it shows the same hello node. That means it's working correctly. We can also add some numbers. 2, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Yes, it is working. We can also check a node.js server by using the small programming. We can copy here this code. Is a code for a node.js server. A simple JS server, we can launch it and we can see whether it's working correctly or not. So let us see. Copy this here and create here new text file and copy it here and click save and close here and rename this. Let us name this my server, but extension will be JS. Click enter and click yes. Now you can see that this file we have created with a code for simple JS node.js server. We have to copy the path of this file. Copy this path and click here and now we have to go to the command prompt cmd and click OK, and here you can write down the cd and click the path and click enter. Now we are in the desktop. Here you can write down the command node and the file name. That file name is myserver.js and click enter. We should rename the file because it's a space. We should delete the space here and write and click it again and use the command again and delete the space here, and now you can enter. Here you can see the running server is this. We should copy this and we can check whether it's working. Click here Ctrl V and click enter. Now you can see it shows the hello world. That means it is working correctly. Now this way you can download and install node.js, and with the help of these examples you can check whether it's working correctly or not. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.